Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to take a look at the Majorette S.O.S flashers, the international versions. So this one I've had for a while. I opened it up in a chase report. It's the Chevy Silverado. What's so special about these S.O.S flashers is that they have a light and sound feature. So here you can see the sound part, and then in the light bar on top there's some LEDs inserted. These have no interior because the mechanics have to be hidden by the dark windows. So you also get the black headlights. Special firefighter deco on this one. Everything else is there on the vehicle, like you usually get from Majorette. It does have suspension. The light and sound is actually activated by pressing the vehicle down. I'll do that at the end of the video. So this is a 2017 production, so an early production because these were released in 2017. And now I have the other versions too. This is the ambulance version. This has a 2018 packaging date. I was able to buy these cheaper. Normal price $5.19, reduced in the store to $3.99, and then I got a discount of 25%. So that's the same price of a Majorette premium car I paid. So you can try it out in the box by pressing this down, and this is what the card looks like. So you get a picture of the car that is, the vehicle is in this set, but not this livery. It's a different livery for the international one. So here it says light and sound, suspension, metal body, and a licensed vehicle. On the back it shows you what you need to do to activate it. So the Mustang, you have to press the roof. The Silverado, you have to press the hood or bonnet. The Citroën DS4 or C4, DS4 it is, I think. You have to press the roof, and then for the van you have to press the back. It also shows you apparently how you can change the battery. I have not noticed that before on the older packaging, but here it apparently shows you that it is replaceable or interchangeable. I did not know that. That's interesting, because this Silverado is definitely riveted in the back. So we will see with these, the other two, if these are riveted or not. That will be interesting to see. So let's take a look. Oh, there he goes already. Whoop, all kind of stuff flying around here. So it's definitely riveted here in the front. So, and that's kind of strange how that is supposed to be opened up. I don't really get that. Interesting. So this is the Renault Master 1/66 scale, January 2018 production. So it looks like the German version, but it's not exactly the same. By the way, there's a German, a French, and a Polish version of these S.O.S flashers. I did a video on the French and German versions in one video. You can look that up in my playlist if you want to see that. So again, blacked out windows, no interior, and then black headlights. But for the rest, all nicely detailed like we expect from Majorette. And then the third one is the Mustang. So the international version has this kind of a Texas-like livery, it seems. Again, $5.19, reduced to $3.99 in the store, and this one I got 21% off, so paid a little bit more than the ambulance. And here again it says the same here, that you can change the battery. This one's pretty dusty, alright. Just have to wipe it down a little bit, because that's just not very pleasant to look at. This very dirty example. Because of the hole you can stick your finger through to press it, of course it also gets dust inside. Maybe it's because it's a black one that it was so obvious. Maybe the white one is just as dirty. Just could not see that. So this is also riveted in the back, by the way. So yeah, I really don't see how you could clip this open with a screwdriver. Yeah. Anyways, Ford Mustang Boss, 161 scale. The Silverado is 171 scale. So not a lot of deco. Just police on the side and a badge. You do get the pony details. So also here the black headlights, the black windows, and then it does get some detail in the back. Cool. So let's put them all next to one another. Now it says you have to press down here for this one, but I think if you press somewhere else it might also activate. No, it doesn't. So the switch is in the front axle. Maybe, yeah. The lights are hard to see, as you can see. So this one I think was the roof to press. See? It's a little bit too bright in here to actually see it. And this one, the switch is in the back axle, I think. Yeah. I'll just switch off one of the lights. You can see it a little bit better. No, not really. But anyways, you have to really look on top of them to really see the lights. Switches in the back. So switch in the back, switch in the front, and switch in the back. So all a little bit different. There you go. And that's my review of the International S.O.S flashes by Majorette. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.